what's going on here then?
What you making, Rob? I don't really know, you know. We'll just have to see if it works.
Well, the idea is I fit my GoPro in there like that, you see, and then we go to the end of the ender, this part here, and now this should. I left a gap there, look. Wait there, Cash. I left a gap for the conveyor belt. And that should, whoa, he's got a lazy lob. And it should fit on there. And there you go. It fits on there. It don't get in the way of, anything, and it can do your thing with it. And now look, there it is there. I know what that is. What I did, I added an extra bit on to come through just to narrow that, to give this a squeezy sort of point.